In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this deck engagement cable on this T110 Craftsman riding lawnmower. It's a very easy job, but can be intimidating if you don't know what you're looking for. I'm going to make it real easy for you. This is Rudy from Take a Bath Productions with another video showing you how to fix various things. If you're a subscribed member to my community, then welcome back. If you're new to this channel, please consider clicking that subscribe button below, and do like this video if you found it helpful for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do here is remove the battery. I don't think I need to show that. It's pretty self-explanatory. I've also gotten the battery holding straps out of the way, so we have a nice open area right here. Now you're going to need to get to the bolt on the top of the cable. It's right here. I know you can't see it right now, but I'm going to fix that here in just a second so you can see it. I just wanted to show you that you can get to this stuff while the body is on there. Let's see. Right there, it's a 3/8 bolt. All right, I've got my wrench on it, and I'm going to show you what that looks like here in just a second. And the other part of the cable is down here. On the right side of the axle right here, you can see the cable going up into the fender. It's right here. You can access it. You have to be able to get the cable off of its mount right here. I'm going to show you that here in just a second, but you can get to it through right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the red part of the body off of the lawnmower. You don't have to do this to do the job. I'm only going to take it off of there so that you can see what's going on and visually see what I'm doing. Okay, so here we have the top of the cable where I was reaching through the battery compartment. All right, very easy to get to now, but like I said, you don't have to do this to get to it. So just take this 1/3/8 bolt out. All right, that's good. Now we still have to get the cable out of its bracket. Okay, here we have the bottom side of the cable. Very simple, just grab the rubber boot and pull it. I apologize if my hand is in the way. I'm just pulling the boot up so that it comes out of its mount there. So just take my specially made pliers right here and give it a little squeeze. I'm reaching through the bottom where I showed you earlier, so shouldn't be any problem to get to this. So just kind of squeeze it and pull the cable. Okay, just very carefully. There we go. There we go. And just slip it through the little slot right there. All right. All right, here we are on the bottom of the deck where the cable meets the deck. Now you're going to want to do this with the deck all the way down. It'll give you the most room to get under here. And just you're going to have to remove this cotter pin. Like that. And this comes right out. Should. There we go. There we go. All right, and finally, we'll just remove the other end of the spring. I like to push it a little bit. There we go. And that cable is free. All right, we're going to go ahead and put our cable back up in there. Now this time, I'm going to leave the rubber boot attached to the cable to itself. The reason being, you're going to have a really hard time once you slip the cable past the bracket. There's just not a lot of room in there for your hand to push it down back where it goes. So you can slip it past that little notch right there with it attached to the cable. You can disconnect it if you want to and try, but I have found that it's better to leave it attached and just slip it by the slot right there. Hope you can see that. You can slip it by and just pull it, carefully pull it. Carefully pull it. All right, it's going. It's going. Just enough to get it through there. There we go. Got it through. And just push the cable back onto the bracket. Just like so. All right, so we're going to go ahead and attach the top of the cable right here. By the way, if you're having some funny issues with your deck where the engine is shutting off or there's some kind of electrical issue with the deck, the switch is right here. So if you're having problems, take a look at this. Just go ahead and put the 3/8 bolt back up in there and tighten it down. Good to go. And we'll just put our cable back real quick. Very simple right there. And just put the cotter pin back. Very easy. Right there. And that's it. That's how you replace that cable. Thanks for watching.